शामी आने के तले जसरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले आजा आजा चीते शामी आने के तले जसरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले मिट्टी सच्ची नदिया गवाई है नच नच कोई पे रात बिताई है अखियों की मैंने उसे मुड़ा दी गिर गिर गारे हैं उंगली जलाई है
आजा आजा तूने शामी आने के तले आजा सारी बातें तुझे आसमान के तले Show me don't make it I make it we got it
The Republic Day. So, what is the Republic Day? Have you heard? What did you hear about so far? Yeah. Okay. What does the Constitution means? What does the Constitution mean? Political leaders. What does that mean? Only political leaders in India? There is no common man? People are so coming up and they know everything, looks like. I don't have to ask questions. Good. So the Constitution is nothing but how the people, common man is treated, how the political things needs to be in line, and the law and order and whatsoever. So
all the students, close your eyes and sit straight for 2 minutes. Coming up, the India is developing up. So today we are celebrating the Republic Day. So as that is the Constitution Day. So one thing is, in 1947 we got the independence. Independence in the sense, in what way? If you keep the train outside of the track, is the train is freedom? Got the freedom? Yes or no? Why? The train is free without the tracks. Train got freedom. There is no track and then it is free because it is not running, it's kept tight. We can't enjoy the freedom, right? So if the train is backed on the track and then if it is have some rules and regulations, then only we'll be happy, we'll move to our destinations, right? So the same way, each and every student, you need to have your own rules and regulations.
A happy Republic Day, a day that we have completely received the freedom, as well as a day where we had the rules and regulations in the form of a constitution, for which we as Indians need to follow all the regulations, rules and regulations that are formulated in the constitution, so that we may have a right path, a right way to lead our life, as we are going still in the developing stage and we are getting into the higher part of it. we make ourselves from the way that we are to a higher status of life and make our life a better thing.